I just got this, and this should be an adapter for devices like the ROG Ally, other Xbox handhelds, phones, laptops, and maybe a Nintendo Switch. Let's open it up. So this is a warranty, instructions and warranty manual, and a product overview. So it has Ethernet, USB-A, there are 3 USB-A's, an HDMI, and a USB-C for power, and a USB-C that connects to the device. This is the actual device here, and it functions just like a docking station or a USB-C dongle. With the USB-C and a little USB-C cover, like that. It's made of a nice aluminum, has grips on the feet and grips here for a console or phone. An Ethernet port with 3 USB 3.0 ports, and HDMI, and a USB-C for power. So this USB-C plugs into the device. I'm going to start by plugging the HDMI and the USB-C for power in. Grab these right here. Plug that in there. And USB-C for power. I believe this dock can take up to 100 watts. I'm going to turn our monitor on. Okay. And now we're going to get the first device. My phone. Okay, so right now I'm using the dongle with my phone, and I'm having it display on my monitor. I have my controller connected. And I can also have an external hard drive. So this would be a great setup if I wanted to over here for playing the games. I want the games on my hard drive and maybe on the games off my phone, while also having my monitor. I should be able to pretty well worth it. Well worth it. But maybe you don't want to do that and you just want to use something like a Nintendo Switch. That should work too. Just plug it in. The device on. I'm going to put this upside down since the USB-C on the switch is on the bottom. My switch is dead right now, but it should work, and then you can just play that way using your monitor. Now I don't know if this is actually certified, since Nintendo has gone out and banned a lot of devices that may not work, but it probably would. Now I bought this to use it with an ROG Ally, and this would serve as the dock for the TV, but you can use it for anything. Okay, a little bit of an update. The switch does work, and now that the power back on, you can go and use the controllers and the dock will work. It's pretty nice. Now you can go play Mario Kart. Very cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.